Having trouble with your Tracfone SIM in your unlocked phone? There are three main reasons: APN settings, cellular bands, and carrier locks. APN, or access point name, connects your phone to Tracfone's data network. Incorrect settings prevent data, MMS, and even calls. Tracfone uses Verizon's network, so your phone needs to support the correct LTE and 5G bands. An unlocked phone might still have residual software locks from its original carrier. An unlocked phone might still have residual software locks from its original carrier. We'll break down each of these issues and how to fix them. First, ensure your APN settings are correct. For Tracfone, the standard APN is Tracfone. Manually enter the APN settings in your phone's network settings or use the My Verizon app to auto-configure. Second, check your phone's band compatibility. Tracfone uses Verizon's bands, including LTE bands like B2, B12, B13, and B66, and 5G bands like N2, N5, N66, and N77. Use tools like FCC ID lookups or apps like Network Cell Infolite to verify band support. Finally, confirm your phone is fully unlocked. Use an IMEI checker to verify or contact the original carrier for an unlock code. Solving these will get your Tracfone SIM working in your unlocked phone.